How to enable camera access on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you want to turn on the camera access on your WhatsApp iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to enable camera access on WhatsApp to allow you to make video calls on your WhatsApp using your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once open the settings app, scroll down and click on the WhatsApp application if you're using iOS 17 or earlier. So this works on all iPhone. On iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Now, once you selected apps, scroll down the page until you get to WhatsApp. So just scroll down to WhatsApp and then open it. Once you click on the WhatsApp application, locate camera. If this is disabled, go ahead and then enable that. Then once that is enabled, you can now exit the page. Now, each time you want to make a video call on your WhatsApp application, all you just need to do is go ahead, open the WhatsApp, then locate the account where you want to make the video call, click on the camera icon, and then your camera video call will go through. So that is basically how to enable camera access on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.